Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and look what I got. I have another unboxing today of Charlotte Tilbury, and it's some new products that just launched. So let's get started and see what we got here. You gotta love the packaging and the box that this comes in. I mean, it's so pretty. So let's see what I got. Okay, well, the first thing that I got is the Exagger-Eyes Easy Eyeshadow Stick. And I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at the packaging on this. Can you imagine pulling this out of your purse? These are eyeshadows, but you can pretty much use them anywhere you want on your face. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can use it on your cheeks as a contour color. You can use it on your lips. I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you want with these. I do prefer wearing them on my eyes, but you can wear them in other places. And the shade I got in this is the Cashmere Sculpt. So let's check this out. Let's see what it looks like. These Exagger-Eyes come in frosty colors, and this happens to be a matte shade. So this is very pretty. This would be pretty on the eyes if you're doing like a base color, or if you just don't like anything frosty on the eyes. This is perfect for that. So, so that's what I got. Ooh, let me see if I can put the top back on. So, and this, look at the packaging. Isn't this gorgeous? This is how it comes. But that's the shade. It's kind of like a beigey, slightly brown shade, but it's very pretty. I'm going to put this on my eyes. I can't wait to try it. And the other things that I got, we just launched this like a couple of days ago. This is the Unreal Highlighter Healthy Glow Stick. And I actually got two of them because my daughter wanted this. She's like, I've been seeing all these ads on TikTok and Instagram on this new highlighter that Charlotte's launching. So I said, all right, I'll get you one. So I got her one too. But so I'm going to open one of them because the other one is for my daughter. And once again, look at the packaging. Now, we make two other products in the Unreal family. We make it's a tint. It's kind of like a foundation, but it's kind of on the sheer side. So we do make the Unreal Skin foundation tint, which is beautiful. Like I said, it's like a foundation without being a foundation. It's kind of sheer, but it gives you a beautiful iridescent glow, and it really does enhance your natural skin tone. So we have that. And we also came out with, last summer, with the Unreal Blush Tint. And that comes in a couple of different shades. And that's beautiful as well. It's like a cream stick blush. Now this happens to be the highlighter. So let's open it and let's check this out. Let's look at this. Let's come over here where we have a white background. And look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I'm going to put a little on my hand so you can see. And it has like a really pretty, see the glow? Beautiful glow. Let me put a little bit more. It's really, really pretty. It's soft, but on your skin, see the glow? It just is meant to give you a beautiful, healthy glow. I would totally wear this, not just on my cheeks or above my cheekbones. I would put this on my eyes or even use it as a highlighter under my eyebrow. I would use this in the center of my forehead. I would use it on the tip or down the center of my nose, maybe a little on my chin. Also too, right above your upper lip, like on your Cupid's bow, like those two lines. That's very youthful to highlight those areas and make them stand out. I would totally put it there too. So, so anyway, this is what I got. I got the new Unreal highlighter stick and the new Exagger-Eyes eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, and this is the Cashmere Sculpt shade. So I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte, and if you want to get these lovely products, as well as getting it delivered in this gorgeous box that Charlotte always is known for sending her products in, you can go to my link, which I'm going to put the link down below, and make sure you copy my discount code as well, and you'll get 15% off your entire order. I will tell you though that my discount code is for first-time online purchasers, and it doesn't include bundles or any sale or special pricing that might be on the site. But right now, these products are full price. They're not on sale because they're brand new. So if you're a new customer online to Charlotte, be sure to use my 15% discount code, and you can grab these lovely products for 15% off and more. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope that you get these lovely products. I mean, I'm loving this glow, and I can't wait to put that on. I'm going to wear that tonight. I'm actually going out tonight. So I'll be doing another video on the makeup. So anyway, and also too, if you have any questions about the products, or even with color matching, if you need foundation or need any help with picking out eyeshadows, blushes, or lipsticks, feel free to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. I'd love to help you. So anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope you make it a Charlotte day. So bye guys.